Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're prepping for the CELPIP test and struggling with the listening section, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into note-taking techniques for CELPIP listening, the skill that can turn a chaotic audio clip into clear, accurate answers. Remember, audio plays only once, no rewinds, so smart notes are your lifeline. Let's start with the basics. The CELPIP listening test runs about 47 to 55 minutes with 6 parts: problem-solving conversations, daily life talks, information exchanges, news items, discussions, and viewpoints. Each part ramps up in difficulty, and questions follow the audio. So your notes need to capture essentials fast. First, general note-taking rules that work across all parts. Forget full sentences. Use point form, abbreviations, and symbols to save time. Common ones: gov for government, PPL for people, W/ for with, B/C for because, up arrow for increase, down arrow for decrease, right arrow for leads to, check mark for agree/positive, cross mark for disagree/negative. Create your own shorthand system and practice it until it's automatic. Write vertically down the page instead of horizontally. It follows the natural flow of speech and makes reviewing easier. Before any audio starts, use those precious seconds wisely. Read the intro statement for context. Who's speaking? What's the setting? Organize your paper. Draw quick columns or labels for speakers in multi-person parts or sections like problem, solutions, chosen for early parts. While listening, focus on the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, why, plus how, and opinions. Note keywords, not every word. Paraphrase to keep it short. If someone says, the budget is tight, so taxes went up, jot tax up, BC budget tight. Capture tone too: excited, frustrated. Use quick marks like for emphasis or for uncertainty. In visual parts like discussions, glance at facial expressions or body language for clues on agreement or doubt, but don't get distracted by irrelevant details like clothing. Now, part-specific tweaks to level up your game. For parts 1 to 3, problem solving, daily life, giving info. Note the main issue first, then suggested fixes and the final choice. Track speakers' attitudes, why they like or hate an option. Example: prob, no room to soul, upgrade with discount to yes because cheaper. Part 4, news item, classic who, what, when, where, why. Jot the headline topic early, then key facts. Note full names once, switch to last names after. Keep it factual and sequenced. Part 5, discussion with video. Label notes by speaker position on screen: A left, B center, C right. Track each viewpoint, reasons, and agreements/disagreements. Quick arrows show A agrees with B or C opposes. Part 6, viewpoints, longest and trickiest. Note the core issue, then each person's stance plus supporting reasons. Use columns or bullets per expert. Paraphrase heavily here since questions love rewording. After the audio, when questions appear, scan your notes for keywords from the question stem. Answer confident ones first, guess on tough ones. No penalty for wrong answers. Manage that on-screen timer, about 30 seconds per question in timed parts. Pro tips to master this: practice daily with real English audio, Canadian news, podcasts, or CELPIP samples. Listen once, note take, then check answers. Experiment with abbreviations during free practice tests. Build speed so writing doesn't pull focus from listening. If you miss something, move on. Dwelling costs more points. Note-taking isn't about perfection, it's about grabbing enough to jog your memory. With consistent practice, you'll feel way more in control on test day. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more CELPIP tips, and comment your biggest listening challenge below. I'll see